Ground forces. This is the oldest, largest, and most powerful branch of the Ukrainian armed forces. The ground forces are the backbone of Ukraine's defense, responsible for conducting land warfare and holding the vast front line. They are composed of mechanized infantry brigades, powerful tank brigades equipped with both Soviet-era and Western tanks, and a formidable artillery corps. Since 2014, they have transformed from a rigid Soviet-style force into a more nimble, decentralized army that empowers junior officers, a key factor in their battlefield success. Air Force. The mission of the Ukrainian Air Force is to protect Ukraine's airspace from attack and to support the ground forces. Despite being vastly outnumbered at the start of the full-scale invasion, the Air Force's skilled pilots have denied Russia air superiority over the country. Their fleet, which began with Soviet-era jets like the MiG-29 and Su-27, has been cleverly adapted to fire advanced Western missiles, such as the American HARM and the British Storm Shadow. The future arrival of the F-16 Fighting Falcon will mark a major leap in their capabilities. Navy. The Ukrainian Navy has waged one of the most innovative naval campaigns in modern history. After losing most of its conventional fleet and its main base in Crimea in 2014, the Navy pivoted to a strategy of asymmetric warfare. It has pioneered the large-scale use of explosive naval drones, which have successfully attacked and damaged numerous vessels of the Russian Black Sea Fleet. This has been combined with highly effective anti-ship missiles, like the domestically produced Neptune, which sank the cruiser Moskva. Ukrainian Marine Corps. Elevated to a separate branch in 2023, the Marine Corps is Ukraine's maritime land force for coastal defense, riverine warfare, and amphibious raids. In the current war, they fight as elite assault infantry, conducting bridgehead seizures, island and delta operations, and shoreline defense along the Dnipro and Black Sea littoral. Organized into multiple brigades with integral armor, artillery, and drones, the Marines combine small unit aggression with high mobility, often spearheading difficult crossings and night attacks to unhinge Russian lines. Air Assault Forces. Like its Russian counterpart, the DSHV is its own separate branch of the military, not part of the army. They are Ukraine's elite rapid reaction force. While trained for traditional airborne operations like parachute assaults, their primary role in the current war is as a highly mobile, elite infantry force used for shock attacks and as a fire brigade. They are often deployed to the most difficult and critical sectors of the front to halt enemy advances or to lead Ukrainian counteroffensives. Special Operations Forces. Established as its own branch in 2016 with significant NATO assistance, the SSO is Ukraine's most elite and secretive force. Their mission is to operate deep behind enemy lines to conduct reconnaissance, sabotage, and direct action. They are the scalpel of the Ukrainian military, famous for destroying high-value targets, acting as spotters for long-range HIMARS and cruise missile strikes, and coordinating with local partisan resistance in occupied territories. Unmanned Systems Forces. Created in 2024 to scale Ukraine's drone revolution, this branch develops, fields, and coordinates unmanned aerial, surface, and ground systems across all services. Its mission is to deliver persistent ISR, precision strike, and electronic attack at low cost and high tempo, from FPV swarms over trench lines to long-range sea drones striking Black Sea Fleet assets. The force standardizes training, logistics, and tactics, integrates industry and volunteer innovation, and pushes rapid iteration so commanders can mass effects without exposing crews. Territorial Defense Forces. This branch of the armed forces is comprised of part-time volunteer soldiers organized by region. Their mission is to defend their own home cities, towns, and critical infrastructure. At the start of the full-scale invasion, their ranks swelled with hundreds of thousands of civilian volunteers who took up arms to defend their communities. They played a critical role in the defense of cities like Kyiv in the early days of the war. Today, they continue to secure rear areas and borders, freeing up regular Army brigades for frontline combat. Thanks for watching. Do you think Ukraine's new drone branch could become its most powerful force? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.